Ever contemplated the key to a productive dialogue with AI powerhouses like ChatGPT, Bing, Gemini, or Claude? The secret sauce is mastering the craft of prompt engineering. Welcome aboard to the groundbreaking year of 2024, where AI is the star of the show. We are witnessing phenomenal breakthroughs with all these innovative AI stalwarts pioneering this transformation. Yet to truly tap into the prowess of these AI titans, it's not just about utilization, it's about effective utilization. At this juncture we present the game changer, prompt engineering. Envision it this way, you're not merely posing a query, you're architecting a prompt. You're sculpting a key that can access the boundless potential of AI. The more intricately you fashion this key, the deeper you can explore the treasure trove of AI wisdom. The marvel of prompt engineering lies in its attention to detail. The more detailed your prompt, the more precise and beneficial the AI's response. Consider it akin to instructing a master chef to prepare a sandwich. If you simply request a sandwich, you'll receive a basic ham and cheese. But specify a gourmet sandwich with smoked turkey, sharp cheddar, ripe tomatoes, and a hint of Dijon mustard, and voila, that's exactly what you'll receive. Thus, during your AI interaction, remember to design your prompts with exactitude. If you need a marathon training regimen, don't merely request a plan. Demand a plan incorporating your current fitness level, available time, and dietary limitations. You'll be astounded by how customized and applicable the AI's advice can be. However, it's crucial to remember that AI isn't foolproof. It's vital to critically assess the recommendations provided by AI. In situations of uncertainty, always seek professional advice. Remember, artful prompt is your secret key to unlock the full power of AI, but always cross-check AI suggestions for accuracy. So, how do we construct these intricate prompts? Let's delve into the fascinating sphere of prompt engineering. Picture this. You're gearing up for a marathon. A generic training plan won't cut it, you require something that is specifically designed for your unique needs. This is when the skill of formulating an intricate prompt comes to the fore. Ponder what you truly need, the number of days you can devote to training, your existing fitness level, any past injuries or limitations. These specifics are crucial in formulating a prompt that will produce a customized and usable training plan. This principle holds true when dealing with AI models like ChatGPT, Microsoft's Bing, or Anthropic's Claude. These models aren't telepathic, they work the best with the information they are provided. The more detailed your prompts, the more tailored and elaborate the AI responses will be. For example, rather than inquiring, "How do I get ready for a marathon?" a question that is quite broad and likely to result in a general response, try asking, "How do I train for a marathon if I can only train 3 days a week, have a knee injury, and am currently capable of running 5 miles comfortably?" This intricate prompt presents the AI with ample information to generate a far more personalized and practical training plan. So the key is to make your prompts as detailed as possible. However, keep in mind that AI models are not perfect. They are instruments created to aid, not supplant human discernment. Always employ critical thinking when decoding their responses, and seek advice from professionals when necessary. Remember, the more detailed your prompts, the more tailored and elaborate the AI responses will be. We've received our AI-generated responses, now how do we appraise them? We're about to delve into the significance of this. AI's potency lies not just in its capability to furnish us with answers to our queries, but also in the caliber of these answers. As we interact with AI systems like ChatGPT, Bing, or Anthropic's Claude, it's important to keep in mind that these AI models are just tools tailored to aid us, and are not perfect. We need to develop a discerning approach when evaluating AI suggestions. The focus should be on assessing the AI's outputs based on 3 key factors: relevancy, accuracy, and practicality. How well do the responses align with your initial query? Are they factually accurate? Above all, are they practical and tailored to your individual circumstances? Take for example, if you've requested your AI model for a marathon training plan, scrutinize the plan meticulously. Does it take into account your present fitness level, your time availability, and dietary requirements? If any detail seems out of place or too demanding, it's time to seek professional help. This leads to another vital consideration. While AI can be a great kickoff point for collecting information, for complex or critical tasks, it's always prudent to consult experts when necessary. If we take the example of marathon training, a professional trainer would have a deeper understanding of your personal needs that an AI simply can't match. They possess the ability to make adjustments based on their professional expertise and experience, something that even a sophisticated AI model is currently devoid of. So, when you're engaging with an AI model next time, remember to scrutinize its recommendations critically. Assess the source, verify the facts, and evaluate the practicality of the advice. In case of any ambiguity, always consult a professional. Bear in mind, AI is a facilitator, not a substitute for professional input. Let's continue to exploit the power of AI judiciously and intelligently. In our exploration today, we've delved deeply into the art of interacting with AI. We've discovered that the key to fruitful AI interactions is the ability to ask the right questions. This involves not just the nature of the questions, but the manner in which they are presented. Crafting detailed prompts with precise and specific details leads to more comprehensive and useful responses from AI models like ChatGPT, Microsoft's Bing, Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude. Whether you're seeking a marathon training plan or advice on a complex problem, detail-oriented prompts will provide you with personalized and practical recommendations. But our journey didn't end there. We also delved into the crucial significance of evaluating AI suggestions. It's important to remember that while AI can offer valuable insights, the responsibility of critically assessing these suggestions is ultimately ours. AI is a powerful tool that can aid in decision-making, but it won't make decisions for us. And if you're ever uncertain, consulting a human professional is always a wise move. It's a vast world of AI out there, filled with unlimited potential and awaiting your exploration. And with practice and curiosity, you'll master the art of querying AI. If you found this video helpful and want to continue unraveling the intrigues of AI, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with others who might also benefit, and subscribe to our channel. There's a trove of AI insights waiting you in future videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Keep exploring, stay inquisitive, and keep crafting those detailed queries.